Kolki Puran, Sukpakhi. We discussed before about Sukpakhi. We know the Sukpakhi, we see the Sukpakhi besides Kolki Dev, Bhagavan Kolki. We discussed before that Sukpakhi went to Singhal and Sukpakhi saw that Rajkarna, that is Padmavati, and she went there and said, I shall go to Sambal, and when we go to Sambal and when we see, when we saw my Prabhu Kalki Dev, I request him, I shall go to Sambal and request him. He said, I shall go to Sambal and I shall meet with my Malik Kalki and request him for come here. And Padmavati said, yes, I shall go to the garden and I shall go with my Sakhis. Next you will come here with Kalki Dev and meet with me. I shall meet with Kalki Dev. Saying this, the Sukpakhi went to Sambal and he took his Prabhu Kalki Dev and began to go towards Singhal. By that time, Padmavati, we saw that Padmavati went to Mandir and she went to the Mandir, to the Bhavani Mandir, and she began to worship and he began to say the Devi Kavach. We shall read slok number 23. Now, next slok will be next. Next slok number 24. So that Padmavati said, Netrayo Chitra Netra Chaho Jamo Gunta Tu Par Shakehe Treta Cha Trichuleno Drubor Bubor Modhe Cha Chondikaha O Chondika Chitranetra Chokuddhay Jamaghanta Parshodhay and Tinetra Chondika Guru Moddhabag You protect me Sankhini Chokusar Modhe Sodrayotharo Vasinihi Kapalam Kalika Rakhede Karnamule Tu Sankarihi Sankhini Chokusar Modhe Sodrayotharo Vasinihi Kapalam Kalika Rakhede Karnamule Tu Sankarihi Sankani in our two eyes and Sankini at the center of Madhyajugul and Dharabasini Sotradhay. Kalika is on my Kapal, on our Kapal. Where the Kalika is our Kapal and Sankari is our Karnamul. Nasikayang Sugandha cha Uttatoshta cha Chorchikaha Adore Chamritavala Jihavanchaha Saraswatihi. Sugandha Nasikai, Chorchika Upper Osto, Amrita, Adore and Saraswati live in our Jihava, that is tongue, and Kalika live in our Kapal, that is forehead. Dantan Chakkuti Pouchak Rakhatu Poumarihi Kontadesitu Chondikaha Ghantinang Chitra Ghanta Cha Mahamaya Cha Talukehe. Koumari Dantasakal, that is tooth, are Koumari, and Kontadesi are Chondika, Chitra Ghanta is Ghantika, Ghontikej, that is Aljib, is Chandrakonda, and Mahamaya is our Talu. Kamakhi Tibukang Rakhyate, Vatanang Me Sarvangalaha, Rivayang Vadrakali Cha, Prishtabang Se Dhanuridharihi. Kamakhi Tibuk, Sarvangala is Bakko, Vadrakali is in Griva, and Dhanudhari is our Melrandi. Dhanudhari is at Mordando. And Kamakhi, protect me, Chibuk, O Sarvangala, protect me, what? O Bhadrakali, protect me, Griva, and O Dhanudhari, protect me, Merudando. Next, Grila, Griva, Bohikantehi, Nalika, Nalakuburihi, Skandayu, Korkini Rakhete, Bahume, Vajrodarini, Nilagriva, Counter Bohirvak, and Nalakubari at Kotorali, Kolgini, Skandodai, and Vajrodarini is Bahudai. Kolgini in a Skandodai. Protect me, O Nilagrava, protect me my throat. O Nalakubari, protect me Kotorali, O Kolgini, protect me Skandodai, and Vajravahini, protect me arms. Astayo Dundini Raket, Ambika, Changuli Suchaho, Nakane Suri, Surirakete, Kukok Raket, Nalesari. Oh, protect my hands, O Dundini, protect my hands, O Ambika, protect my fingers, O Sulesari, protect my nails, and Nalesari, protect my Kukidai. Stalno Raket Mahadevi, Mana Soko Bira Arini, Lira Devi, Udari Sularini. O Devi, protect me. O Mahadevi, protect me. Best, that is stone. O Soko Vinashini, protect me, Moon. O Lulita Devi, protect me, Hidai, that is heart. And Suladharini, you protect my belly. Now, Kamini Raket, Gujjang Gujjasri Tataha, Meham Yakhatu Durganda, Pau me Gujjavasini. O Kamini Devi, protect me my Navi, and Gujjasri, protect me Gujjadesh. O Durganda Devi, protect me Janandira, that is Melodesh, and Gujjavasini, protect me Pau. Pattang Bhagavati Rakke, Duru me Megobanaha, Janghe Bala Rakke, Madhavanaika. O Madhavanaika, protect me Janudai. O Mahabala, protect me Jangadai. O Megobana, protect me Uddai. O Bhagavati, protect me Kumar, that is Kodidai. Gumpa, O Narasing Hicha, Padaprishta Chakusuki. Padanguli Sidhari Cho, Tolampa Talovasinihi, Narasinghi, protect my Padajugal, Kausiki, Pada, protect me Pada Pishtadai, O Sidhari, protect me fingers, legs, fingers, and Jogeshwari, protect me skin, Rakta Marjava. Samangsa Nasti Medangsihi Parvati Astrani Kalaratri Cho Vitancham Kurasri Parvati Devi, protect me blood. Parvati Devi, protect me blood, Bhaja and Chorbi, Mangso, Osti and meat. Kalaratri, protect me Astasakal and Kurasri, protect me my liver. Padavati Padakoshi, Kape Churahmanistataha, Jalamaki, Nakajala, Mahaveda Sarva, Sandishu, Padavati, protect my Fuspus lands, Churamani, protect my cough, Jalamaki, protect my Nakote, and Aveda Devi, protect my Grunthi, Shukrang Brahmani me Rakat Chang Chatisuri, Tataha, Om Karang Manobuddin, Rakan me Dharmadhari, Nihi, Pranapano, Tatapano, Mudanancha Savanakan, Vajrahasta, Chavirakhet, Pranakalan, Savanaha, Rasirupi, Chapandecha, Shabdesparshe, Joginihi, Satam Rastamachayu, Raken Narayani Sadaha, Aurakat, Varahi, Dharma Rakat, Parvatihi, दशकीर्तिं च लक्ष्मीं च सदा रक्षतु वैष्णवीः गोत्रमिन्द्राणि हिमे रक्षेत् विशुन्दक्तिं च चण्डिकः गोत्रान् रक्षेत् महालक्ष्मी भार्यां रक्षतु वैदेवीः धनेश्वरीं धनं रक्षेत् कौमालिः कन्नकं तथा सन्तानं सुपद रक्षेत् मानकं परिततः राजोद्धारे महालक्ष्मी विजया सर्वतस्थिताः रक्षाहीनस्तु यत्स्थानं वर्जितं कवचेनातुः तत्सर्वं रक्ष मे देवी जयन्ती पापनाशिनीः सर्वरक्षाकरं पुण्यं कवचं सर्वदा जरे इदं रहस्य विप्रस्य भक्तः तव मनोदिनम् इदं रहस्यं विप्रस्य भक्तः तव मनोदितं पदमेकं न गच्छतु यदि चक्षुवदामात्तनं कवचेन हृदनित्यं तत्र तत्रैव गच्छति तत्र तत्र लाभस्य विजय सर्वकालिकः जं जं चिन्तयति कामं तं तं प्राप्नोति निश्चितं परामैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्नोति भूतले पुमान् निर्भयो जायते मर्त्ये संग्रामस्य पराजिता त्रैलोक्यचो भवति पूज्य कवचनावृता पुमान् यशो वृद्धि भवेत् पुंसां कीर्तिवृद्धिश्च जयते तस्मात् जपति सदा भक्तः कवचं कमलां मुनेः जपति सप्तशतं चण्डे त्यक्त्वा तु कवचं पुराः निर्विघ्नेन भवेन सिद्धिं चण्डी जापसमुद्भवाः जदुमण्डलं दत्ते सशैलबाणकननं तवोत्तिष्ठति मदिन्नां सन्तोति पुत्रपौत्रेतिः ध्यान्ते परमं स्थानं त्रैलोपि सुदुर्लभं प्राप्नोति पुरुषनित्यं महामाया प्रसादतः तत्र गच्छति गत्तासौ पुनश्च कवनं न हि लभते परमस्थानं शिवेन शमनं व्रजेत् that Padmavati said that said and that Padmavati began to sit next Ratri Sukto Om Rakti Parakpakkadati Purutra Davakhovihi Visa O Vivisuho Ditoho Om Rakti Pakkadati Purutra Purutraha Davakhovihi Visa Trisuho Sitoho Omkarmoyi You are Ankarmoyi You are Sarvavapani Bhuvaneshwari Ratri Devi You are Sarvavapini Bhuvaneshwari Ratri Devi Sarvadeshi You are Chakustaniya Mahadi Tattva You are Sarvavastur Dotanashila You are Sutpaditaha Sadasat Karmapurno Jalajjaloho You are Sadasat Karmapurno Jalajjaloho in specially and all jeeps takes karmafal according to who his karma ho Omkaramayi Omkar Oh Mata you are Omkar Omkar Ohom O Ho Mo Ohom You are Ohomkar Omkar Omkar means O Ho Mo and Kar Ohomkar You are Omkar O Mahadevi O Shivani O Bhavani You are Omkar Sarvavapika You are Omkar Not only Omkar You are Sarvavapika You are Sarvavapika You are Omkar You are Bhuvaneshwari You are Dotanshila You are Dotanshila You are all O Devi Bhavani You are Omkar You are Omkar O Ho Mo Om That is Parameshwar Omkar means You are Devi O Bhavani O Kali You are Omkar You are Om Kali You are Parameshwar You are the symbol of Parameshwar You are the symbol of Parameshwar You are three words. O, Hashu, Mu. You have three Akhar. That is Trakar. That is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Om means Om. You are Om. You are Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Brahma means who creates. That is Brahma. Brahma is the creator and generator. Who is generator? Vishnu is the generator and Shiva is destructor. You are in one side is Brahma, in other side is Vishnu and other side is Shiva. You are all Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. That is Om. Om. Three words. O, U, Mo. In 3 words. You are 3 words. And if we discuss that 3 words, that is not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. 3 words is Lok, Bhulok, Dulok and Antarikholok. Oh Devi, you are Bhulok, Dulok and Antarikholok. You are in 3 words. O, Umo, Om. In 3 words, not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, you are Bhulok, Dulok and Antarikholok. 3 words. O, Om, O, Mu. O, Mu. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Bhulok, Dulok, Antarikho. You are not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, Bhulok, Dulok, Tilok. You are 3 gun. 3 gun. What is 3 gun? 3 words. Sattva, Raja and Tama. You are Om, that is Sattva, Raja, Tama. Not only Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar. You are Bhulok, Dulok and Antarikho and Sattva, Raja, Tama. Sattva, Raja, Tama. You are not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, Bhulok, Dulok, Antarikho, Sattva, Raja, Tama. You are 3 words. What is 3 words? Sukho, Stulo and Oti Sukho. You are 3. You are Om, that is 3 words. Not only you are Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, Bhulok, Dulok, Antarikho, Sattva, Raja, Tama, Stulo, Sukho, Oti Sukho. You are 3 words in Kal. What is the name? That Kal's name, Bhut, Bhavishyat, Vartaman. You are in Kal, Bhut, Bhavishyat and Vartaman. Om, O, U, Mu. 3 words, that is Bhut, Bhavishyat and Vartaman Kal. And you are the 3 words in Om, O, U, Mu. 3 words. Not only Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Not only Bhulok, Dilok, Antarikholok. Not only Sattva, Raja, Tama. Not only Sukha, Stula, Oti Sukho. Not only Bhut, Bhavishyat, Vartaman.